Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today there was a smoke alarm activation called in. The fire department has come and arrived to investigate. As you see, it's the Independence that's arrived first here. Here comes truck 32 arriving, coming from a different call they were already heading to. A really good sign. We don't see any smoke or any flames coming out of the building, so possibly just a automatic fire element trip or something like that. I'm not too 100% sure. I'm not too sure if this is a residential building or not, but I know there's a eye doctor in front of the building here. But I don't know what's going on in the backside there. But yeah, it don't look like much is happening here. That's a good thing, that is. So, once again, thanks to the volunteer firefighters for responding on such a quick response today, actually. Alright, well that's going to wrap it up. Thanks for checking it out, ladies and gentlemen. Until next time, stay safe, rise above, and crack on.